Use a rectangle to draw an area model to solve. So basically, that's where we're going to do our quadrants again. Okay, so we would break this apart, and this would be 2, this would be 1/3, this would be 3, and this would be 1/2. So 2 times 3 is what, guys?
2 times 3 is 6.
6. Okay, 3 times 1/3 is 3/3, which is 1. Okay, 2 times 1/2 is 2 halves, which is 1. And then 1/2 times 1/3 is 1/6. And then we add all those together. So 6 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1/6 equals, what is 6 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1? 8 and 1/6. What's our label? Oh, or we don't have it, do we? So just 8 and 1/6. Use the trick to find 1 and 1/4 times 3 and 1/4. Let each square represent 1/4 foot by 1/4 foot. So 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5. So we need to go down 5 squares. Okay, 4 times 3 is 12 plus 1 is 13. So we need to go across 13. And I'm going to have to go back and so 3 and 1/4 and 1 and 1/4. Okay, so we said there were how many here? 13, right? And then there were how many here? 5. Okay, 4 times 1/4 is what? 1/16. So what's 13 times 5? 65. So we have 65/16, which equals what? We know 4 times 15 goes into 64. We know 15 goes into 64 times, right? Okay, but so how many times? 4 and 1/16. And then it would be feet squared. And then we could have also done it as 13/4 times 5/4, which would have got us to 65/4, right? And then we could have went on like that. Use the rectangle to draw an area model to find 2 1/2 times 4 2/3. So this is where we draw our, okay, and then this would be 4, this would be 2/3. So it basically broke it apart, right? This is 2, this would be 1/2. So 4 times 2 is 8. 2/1 times 2/3 would be 4/3. 4/1 times 1/2 would be what? 4/2, which equals 2. 1/2 times 2/3 would be what? 2/6, right? Which 2/6 is also equal to what? 1/3, right? Okay, so 8 plus 2 plus 4/3 plus 1/3 equals 8 plus 2 is 10. 4/3 plus 1/3 is 5/3, which equals 11 and 2/3. And then we don't have any labels, so just 11 and 2/3. Number 5, open-ended. Chris is building a rectangular-shaped patio using square tiles. Each tile has a side length of 1/6 yard. The patio should be between 2 yards and 3 yards long and between 1 yard and 2 yards wide. Choose a length and a width for the patio. What is the area of the patio? Explain your method. Okay, so if we're not going to use whole numbers, we at least want to have a whole number with a fraction that has probably what in it? A 6, right? Because we kind of learned that from our other ones. Okay, so what do you guys want? Something between 2 yards and 3 yards. What would be something between that? Give me a number. Okay, so 2 and what? What would half be in 1/6? 2 and 3/6 by what? Between 1 and 2. So 1 and what? How about 1 and 2/6? Okay. So let's go ahead and convert those to improper fractions. So 6 times 2 is 12 plus 3 is, so 15/6 times 6 times 1 is 6 times, or plus 2 is 8/6. Can I simplify before I start? Yes. What goes into both 6 and 8? 2. So 2 goes into 6 3 times, 2 goes into 8 4 times. Can I simplify before I start the other way? Yes. What goes into both 15 and 6? 3. 3 goes into 15 5 times. 3 goes into 6 twice. So 5 times 4 is 20. 3 times 2 is 6. So that equals what? 2. 3 and 2 6, which equals 3 and 1/3. What's my label? Yards.